All right, guys, here are Lenny's pictures. Lenny's going to be in for his 12-month follow-up shortly. I'm really excited to see him. It's been about 8 months. We have a 12-month follow-up journey after our hair transplants. Lenny had a multi-unit hair grafting procedure. The lines you see on the forehead are the hairline marked out after consultation with the surgeon on procedure day. So these photos are actually taken right before we walked into the procedure, right before we got started. So it's kind of mapping out that natural age-specific look. Something I want to point out, if we look really close, you can see where we mark the hairline versus where he's got some little existing hairs. Over time, he'll lose those existing hairs and he'll age into the permanent transplanted hairline that'll be there behind it. So let's go have a look. 12 months post-transplant, really excited to see Lenny. Let's go, let's see how he's doing. Len, how are you?
Better than I deserve to be.
Guys, look at this. This is 12 months post multi-unit hair grafting. Come up really close. Let's have a look at this hairline here. Look how natural this looks, guys. Now, we talk about this all the time, but a hairline is something that shouldn't draw attention to you. It should look age-specific, and particularly in this scenario where we want to create a masculine look and make sure that this looks natural as the patient ages. You can just see how good this looks. And we're coming really, really, really close here. You can see the different range of graft sizes that create a natural look. We took the genetically permanent hair from the back here. This was a multi-unit hair grafting procedure. I tried to look before Len to sort of see where the suture line was, and there it goes. It's very, very fine in here. And we do a closure now where the hair actually grows through the suture line. So you visually really can't see it unless you know what you're looking for. Of course, we do artist robotic FUE, manual FUE, but for larger areas of coverage, multi-unit hair grafting is the way to go. Len, one of the first things I noticed when you walked in was it's not just about the hair, man. You've lost a bunch of weight. You look awesome. Tell me about the journey over the last 12 months.
Well, you know, it's been a blast. First of all, I have zero regret over doing this. I mean, it was amazing. It was, I'm really happy I got the procedure done. I've lost about 75 pounds, and it's just been amazing. My confidence is higher, and I'm in sales, and so going in and seeing people every single day, it's important that it's like shiny shoes. I mean, your shoes got to be shined in order to feel better about yourself, and now I feel better with my hair.
And I think you make a good point. I see that a lot with guys where sometimes it's the catalyst for an overall health journey, and you know, we do present ourselves. How we present ourselves is important. You're a successful sales guy, you've got a successful career, and we all want to try and keep a little bit of that edge. And what would you say to the guys out there that, you know, are thinking about this and have been contemplating, you know, the procedure or coming, and what would you say to those guys?
Don't think twice. Just do it. It's worth every penny, is what I was saying, because I feel so much better about myself. Like I said, my wife keeps on reminding me that we get this done for me, not for her. And I'm saying, well, no, I feel better about myself. We celebrated our 30th wedding anniversary, and I feel confident we're going to get another 45.
Man, congratulations. This is awesome. So excited to see you today. And thank you for your trust. I know it's a big step, and really enjoyed helping you through this. So appreciate it, Lenny. Thank you very much.
Thank you.